Let's turn this Apex Legends auto pistol design by Danny Gardner into a replica prop, starting with the trigger. I designed this trigger to have a built-in spring so that I get feedback from it. This kind of prop feedback enhances the experience. I am especially happy with how the grip turned out. I utilized the fuzzy skin feature in Bambu Studio. Normally I take into consideration the plastic shrinking a little once it cools and make adjustments for my measurements. For my printers I usually increase hole radius by 0.125 millimeters. These holes are very small, so I wanted to increase the hole by hand. There is very little room for error. I couldn't find flathead slotted screws, so I had to take button head screws and face them flat with my lathe. If a part needs supports, I will try to orient the part to be printed, so the supported area is hidden. Total I used 30 grommets on this gun. I had to make slight adjustments for my design. The original grip is too short for my hand, so I had to extend it by about 3/4 of an inch in order to make it comfortable. I still have a little painting to do, but I was too excited to share this with you. At some point I would love to remake this prop in aluminum. Please let me know in the comments if this is something you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching.